Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about encryption, part of database management system course. Encryption is a technique that is used to protect data by converting it into a form that is unreadable without a decryption key. Encryption is often used in databases to protect sensitive data such as passwords, financial data, or personal information. There are several types of encryptions that can be used in a database, such as symmetric-key encryption. Symmetric-key encryption is a technique that uses the same key for both encryption and decryption. This can be useful for protecting data that is stored in a database, as the key can be kept secret and used to decrypt the data when it is needed. Asymmetric-key encryption is a technique that uses a pair of keys for encryption and decryption. One key is used to encrypt the data and the other key is used to decrypt the data. This can be useful for protecting data that is transmitted over a network, as the keys can be used to secure the communication between the sender and the receiver. Hashing is a technique that is used to create a fixed size representation of data item called a hash. Hashing is often used in databases to store passwords, as the hash can be used to verify the authenticity of the password without storing the password itself. Key derivation is a technique that is used to generate a key from a password or other secret value. Key derivation is often used in databases to protect data that is encrypted with a symmetric key algorithm, as the key can be derived from a password or other secret value that is known only to the user. It is important to carefully consider the use of encryption in a database, as it can impact the performance and security of the data. It is also important to ensure that the encryption keys are managed and protected properly to prevent unauthorized access to the data. By implementing appropriate encryption techniques, it is possible to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of the data in a database. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.